I finally finished building my bookshelf. A good thing too, because that stack on the corner of my room just keeps getting bigger. Maybe you can help me organize? We can come up with a plan first. I'm thinking we should have an outgroup which diverged independently and the divergence of two other main groups by theme. Since I know the distance between my operational taxonomic units, OTUs, and the pattern of divergence, my bookshelf is going to be organized in a rooted tree. The top shelf will hold my outgroup OTU, the book which diverged much earlier than the rest of my OTUs. In this case, it's Genetics, a Conceptual Approach. It's much different from the rest because it's my only textbook. It also happens to be an example of anagenesis because the earliest common ancestor gave rise to that one OTU. All my other books are organized by cladogenesis. The most recent common ancestor gave rise to two different OTUs. So on the second and third shelves, I want to put 1984 and Animal Farm by George Orwell, respectively. These two books are super close together because they are not only by the same author, but make commentary on large government corruption. They are the most similar OTUs. To Kill a Mockingbird and The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn should also diverge from a common ancestor as the Orwell books, but they share an even more recent common ancestor. To Kill a Mockingbird and Huck Finn are set in the antebellum South of the United States, using the marginalization of racial groups as a main theme. They make governmental commentary like the Orwell groups, but they are not as similar to the two Orwell books are, so they have much longer branches. We should save the shelves at the bottom for some other themes like class division. For instance, I was thinking maybe Wuthering Heights and Pride and Prejudice should go on the sixth and seventh shelves, respectively. These two books focus on a central relationship which cannot work due to class differences, while also emphasizing how women don't fit in patriarchy. The branches for this coupling are relatively short because they share such similar common themes. The Great Gatsby and The Scarlet Letter also depict a world where society has the greatest influence, but they have longer branches since they are not as similar to each other as Pride and Prejudice and Wuthering Heights are. The Great Gatsby and The Scarlet Letter both use a lot, and I mean a lot, of symbolism, but they take place in completely different eras. However, they share common goals of the main characters, such as scandal and love based revenge. Similarly to the OTUs just above them, these books portray a great deal of sexism among the different time points, hence, this most recent common ancestor at this internal node. This makes sense. One central theme of governmental commentary, which then diverges into Orwellian government and US government, and another theme of societal pressures and classism, which then diverges into relationship based books and revenge rot slash scandal based books. Perfect. Time to build another 9 shelves for my next set of books.